Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with your device, and now remove them from charging case. Here we've got the left earbud and here is the right earbud. Now, for both earbuds, double tap to play, pause music or to answer or end the calls. Press and hold on either earbud to activate voice assistant. For the left earbud, drag left to select previous song and drag right to select next song. On the right earbud, drag upwards to increase volume and downwards to decrease volume. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.